Hi, I'm Jovi, and today we will be creating a simple fall wreath. Begin by gathering your supplies: a wreath, leaves, decorative items, ribbon, pumpkins, scissors, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. Begin by hot gluing your ribbon into place. Once you've made it all the way around with your ribbon, trim it and hot glue the end. Now it's time to add our decorative leaves. Notice the clip. This makes it easy to attach and to rearrange if needed. You'll notice that our other decorative pieces also have clips. You can hot glue your leaves down so that they're in the position that you would like. Now it's time to add another piece of ribbon, but this is to tie around so that you can hang your wreath easily. I found these little pumpkins and squash and thought that they would be the perfect finishing touch, so I just hot glue them into place. This is a small wreath with a big impact. I hope you enjoyed creating with me today. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you again soon.